welcome to Mentor Mike on Kingdom Wealth. And today I want to show us something interesting. Okay. If you can remember, 8 days ago, okay, I made this post. Okay, 8 days ago, I made this post where I said this is Bitcoin on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, and I said this is a bearish setup. Okay, I shared this screenshot. I said this is a bearish setup, and I said I was expecting in this post, I said I was expecting price to compress to this right shoulder of this Quasimodo, and then I expect price to fall down from here. Okay, now going back, to that time, see, price did just that exactly. Sometimes, predicting price movement is somehow prophetic. Traders are also prophetic because we predict price will go up or come down. So you understand. So this is a very strong trading strategy. It's a very strong pattern, Quasimodo. All right, see, price came exactly to this point, and what happened? Price fell down. You see, the price did not just fall down anyhow. It fell down rapidly. Okay, so this prediction was accurate. All right, and I'm excited about it. Predicting price will fall from a point, and it did fall. Okay, that's number one. All right, also I made a post again. This was 13 days ago. I made a post, BTC daily time frame. Okay, today BNFP news release, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah. And I was saying, BTC has high probability of rising to the B, break and retest. Okay, QMR, blah 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 blah. My main bias is bearish. I stated this here, and this was a screenshot. Okay, so I was expecting price to come to this B and R, break and retest. I was expecting price to come to this level here and then fall down. Now, fast forward, let's see what happened. Daily, see here. This is the chart. You can see the price came to this exact B and R level, break and retest. You can see price came here and it rejected, price falling down. This is so accurate. So I'm excited about this, the ability to predict the movement of price, the probable path of price. There's a path where price moves. The ability to predict their movement is so exciting. So exciting. As you can see, I'm selling here. You can see I'm selling the market. You can see the profit here, $27,000. You see, with just this knowledge. Please, this is a demo account. This is not a real account. Okay, I'm just prophesying to myself. Okay, this is a $1 million account. Okay, so this is demo account. As you can see up here, demo account. This is not real account. Okay, this is not real account, but I'm prophesying to myself. You see, so imagine trading this on real account. This is cool money. Very accurate prediction. Right. Now I want to show us XRP. In the last video I made, okay, you can go and check that last video, the one I made on XRP. All right, I made a video on XRP. This one, wire transfer repo, December 15 crash. Yes, so I want to show us something there. like I said in that video, I said my sentiment is bearish. I said I'm looking forward to the market coming down. All right, and see what happened when the news came out. See how price fell down nicely. You see how price fell down nicely on XRP. The price fell down nicely, and from this is a sell setup. This is a bearish setup. So what I'm expecting now is if price will at all come to the upside, I'm expecting price to come to this level and then fall down and die. All right, so I'm expecting price to come to this level and then continue the downward fall, if at all price will ever come up here. All right, you can see this is the same pattern. It is so simple learning technical analysis. It is so simple. You see, there is a level of supply here. This side, price comes here, there is high probability that price is gonna fall down. All right, quickly I want to show us something again on BTC. All right, BTC. Now this is monthly time frame of a Bitcoin. This monthly candlestick pattern. Now from this chart, now my bearish sentiment is even stronger. It is stronger now. I'm not looking forward to buying any asset now, okay, because the setup I'm seeing now is bearish. All right, there is high probability that price will continue to go down. All right, this is not a financial advice, okay, this is just my opinion. If you so choose to to buy or sell, it is at your own discretion. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing on the chart. If you remember, in the last XRP video I showed you a pattern. I said that pattern is a very strong pattern. It's a very strong pattern where we have pin bar followed by pin bar being engulfed, okay, like this one. Now this is a bullish pin bar. It is now engulfed by a bearish candle. We now have bearish engulfing. All right, this is a very strong bearish pattern. All right, you can see this bearish engulfing. Price comes up here to retest this low of this pin bar and then price rejecting. As you can see, I've placed a sell here, okay. You see BTC selling, right? Okay, so there's high probability that price will continue the downward movement. All right, and I expect price to turn back from this demand zone. You can see this place here. We have a bullish engulfing. Yesterday, was it yesterday? In the last video I made on XRP crashing, all right, I talked about the concept of rally-based rally, drop-based drop. See the same thing here. Rally-based rally, price move to the upside, right? Here we have drop-based drop, price going down. So there is high probability that price will go down. Red candle followed by green candle and then followed by red candle. That's drop-based drop. Price is expected to drop, right? Combined with this candlestick pattern, it is I am 90% bearish, okay. Before I can start considering bullish, before I will change my sentiment to being bullish, price needs to break this place, this high. Price needs to break this place to the upside before I can change my sentiment. Price will need to break this place to the upside, okay, and probably retest it, and then boom, we shoot up. All right, but right now I am so bearish, and I expect price to come to this level of demand. You can see this kind of movement, we call it organized behavior. When we have green candles following each other successively, okay, green, 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 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 6 months consecutively, price was printing green. This is a bull market, of course. All right, so this is an organized behavior. So this is the point where price, okay, this is the point of origin where price started moving to the upside. So we call this place a demand zone. So I'm expecting price to come to this place and react. There's going to be I'm 100% sure that if price gets to this point, there's going to be a reaction. Yes, there's going to be a reaction to the upside, but I don't know the magnitude of the movement. So this point of demand now is the price here is about $11,000. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to come to the $11,000 zone. As in, this zone is about 12,000, between 12,000 to 9,700 zone. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to come to this point. All right, before I can have a bullish sentiment, it must cross this line to the upside. All right, so that's that about that. Let's go back to XRP. You know, these guys, they move almost the same way. Okay, if Bitcoin goes down, altcoin goes down. Bitcoin goes up, altcoin, they also follow suit. All right, so we are here on XRP. Okay, so XRP, let's go to the 3 months candle. 3 months candle, the one I showed in my last video. Okay, remember in the last video I also pointed our attention to this rally price went up. All right, green followed by a red candle followed by a green candle, price moved up. Right, each candle represents 3 months. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it means for 9 months this thing, you know, printed green candle. And here we have again red candle followed by green candle, and now printing a red candle. This is drop based drop. Okay, we have 16 days to the expiry of this candle. If this candle ends being red, then I expect price to continue to the downside. Also, this place is also a demand zone. I'm expecting price to come to the 20 cents. I'm expecting price XRP to come to 20 cents and then have a reaction to the upside. If price should ever come below this 20 cents, then a serious crash is imminent. A serious crash is imminent. So this is what I've got to share with you guys on the chat. All right, this is so powerful. As we pay attention to the prophetic, okay, we should also pay attention to technical analysis. There must be a correlation. Right? This is one of the mistakes I made last time. I only focused on the prophetic. All right, I lost focus on technical. All right, but this time around we are combining the two together. The prophetic must align with technical. All right, must align. All right, so there was a time when Christopher Harris, you know, gave a dream on Terra Luna Classic, and I checked it on the chart and it aligned and it played out just like that. For instance, now if someone says they had a dream and they saw XRP, you know, went down to 20 cents, based on this technical analysis, I would say yes, bravo, it is very possible. All right, so if price BTC, if price ever comes to this 12,000, 9,000 zone and price never reacts to the upside, then a serious crash is imminent. Remember, many people have seen it, that BTC is gonna crash to zero. It's gonna crash to zero. If it ever comes below this level, then get set for a crash. All right, right now I'm super bearish. I know many people, they are doing DCA, dollar cost averaging. If that's your style, good. All right, just make sure you are well, you know, positioned and you have a good plan. All right, so that's about that. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this kind of, you know, content, please click the subscribe button, like, share, and also drop your comment. Until the next video, Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye for now.